Hello, my name is Design Ghost and welcome to another episode of our design series where we learn everything design. If you are new here and if you've not subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put us on post notifications so that you do not miss any amazing content we post here. Today, I am going to take you through step by step on how to design an African festival flyer like this in Photoshop. So without wasting too much of your time, let's begin. So first of all, we are going to create our document. So file, new, five by 7 with 300 RGB inches, background content of white, and let's create. So these are the resources that we are going to use for this particular design. If you want to get these resources to follow along, in the description is a link to our Telegram page where you can find links to download these resources for free. Remember to give this video a like and a thumbs up as a way of supporting us. If you have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to the channel and be part of the family. So we are going to bring this as our background image rotation 90 degrees clockwise. We change the resolution of this image to about 250. Add a new layer. Make sure it's on black. G for the bucket tool. Let's bring in this pattern. Let's increase it a bit. Let's duplicate the foreground layer and bring it up. Pick our eraser tool. Let's decrease the flow. Great. Let's duplicate this layer, opacity, and let's reduce it a bit. Great. Let's take off this image, no, and bring in these masks. We are not really changing resolutions of these masks because we don't really need them to be that big on our work. Let's select this layer, grab our brush tool, decrease it a bit. Let's bring in the next one. Let's take it off. Bring in that. Let's increase it a bit, position it somewhere here. Can take that too off. We bring the next set in. We bring this also in. We rotate that bit. Decrease it. Let's bring this also in. Let's bring the shield. Grab our magic eraser tool. Take off the background and let's bring that also in. Scale it up a bit. Rotate it. Let's bring in the drums. Put this also in the scene. This will duplicate. Hide the first one, grab the pen tool, make sure it's on path. Hold Alt to click. Make selection, okay. Let's delete this part. Bring the first one, Control T. Duplicate that. All right. And let's bring this also in. Put it to the very top. Great. Select all and group. You can call them mask just to organize our work. Let's take that a bit up. Great. Hold Ctrl Alt E. Add the layer. grab our brush. Eraser 2, Control G, we add another layer, brush, eraser, increase the flow, image adjustment, color lookup, great. Control J, we bring this to the very top, we change the blend mode, paint lights, grab our eraser 2, camera raw settings, Control Shift E, split toning, take it to orange, great. So we bring this human image in. This we change the resolution to 150. And this will increase. We add another layer, we grab our brush tool, let's move these layers up a bit. Great. So we are done with the background. Some few touches that is left. So let's grade this a bit before we bring in our test. We open it again. Camera raw settings. Texture, clarity. Great. Now we are going to use a gold texture to write Afro vibes on the top. So it's a PSD. This was downloaded from FreePic. So you can download any font gold mockup from any of these mockup sites and then you can use them. We are going to write Afro vibe. That is Americana. Letter spacing of -50. S to save. Afro vibe. So we don't need a background, all that we need is the Afro vibe. So we take it, put that here, group, another layer, brush to black, so let's add some information down here. Gradient, After adding the shapes, let's add some info. Let's duplicate this shape. Control J. So we add ticket information down here too. So you can add your information here. So we add our date here. (24th). We add a bit of information here and the name of the organizers too there. So we select this, we delete. We are using default text, so you can put in your information as a designer. Let's duplicate that, delete part of it. So we can group all of that and call it info. Now let's add a bit of touches to it. We are going to bring this gold ornament, scale it up, apply a path blur, filter blur, gallery, path blur. All we need to do is increase the speed a bit. Okay. Add the layer, get our brush tool, orange, let's pick orange, brush, great, Control J, can move it, filter blur, path blur, increase the speed, okay. Let's take it a bit in. Alright, select all, Control Alt E, camera raw settings. Split toning. Let's give it that orange like look. Beautiful. See shadows. It is too excessive, so let's decrease. I think it's fine now. And this brings us to the end of today's episode of our design series. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share for others to also benefit. If you've watched up to this point and you've not subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to put us on post notifications so that you do not miss any amazing content we post here. My name is Design Ghost, and see you in the next episode. Bye.